3247 divided by 25. Here 25 is a divisor, so we need multiplication table of 25. 25 times 00, 25 times 125, 25 times 250, 25 times 375, 25 times 400. So to find out the multiplication table of 25, just add 25 with the previous step. 0 plus 25, 25, 25 plus 25, 50, 50 plus 25, 75, 70 plus 5 plus 25, 100, 100 plus 25, 125. You have to follow this method. 25 goes into these three how many times? Actually 3 is less than 25, so consider up to next digit up to here. So 25 goes into 32 how many times? 2 times 50, which is greater 1 times. The quotient will come over the last considered digit. Here 2, 2 times 25, 25, subtract, you are getting 7. Bring down this digit 74. We have 74. 25 goes into 74 how many times? Look, 5, 3 times 75, which is greater, so 2 times, right? 2 times 25, 50. Subtract, you are getting 4 to 24. Bring down this digit 247. Look, 25 goes into 247 how many times? 10 times 250, which is greater, so 9 times, right? 9 times 25, 225, 225. Now subtract 5 from 7, you are getting 2. Subtract, take away 2 from 2, take away 2 from 2, that is 0. That is 22 is your remainder. So our answer is 129, remainder 22. If you want, if you write just just the remainder, then you can write 22, but this is the result.